Alrighty, got them off. Gonna put the new ones back on. And to drill some holes. That should be pretty sweet. See how it goes. Alrighty. Well, we got it this far. Battery on cameras trying to die. Battery on the drills trying to die. That should be pretty nice. And that aluminum is thick. And I think it's solid after you get down in here somewhere. It's got to be solid. Because I've drilled a hole pretty far through and for the alignment pins, and it's not even breaking through. So we said I bought new bars. We'll get it together, get them positioned where I want them, and we'll have at it. Still, I got to take the brake line loose and put these things on where it holds the lines there. But it's coming along further than it was. Got the radiator guard on, got the gear shifter on. We're making progress.